In this video, we will see how to create a new GitHub account and upload your programs into it. So in order to create the GitHub account, first let's start with the sign up process. So you'll find a sign up button here in the top right corner. So once you click on the sign up button, you'll land here on this page. Here you will have to enter your email address. So let's add an email address here and we'll just create a password. Okay, make sure your password is strong and we'll click on continue. So it's asking me for a username, Sarang WS. Okay, yeah, we'll just click on continue. Okay, it is saying username only contain alphanumeric character. So let's go with Sarang WS. Click on continue. Okay, and it says, would you like to receive products update and announcement via email? You can choose yes or no. That's upon you. I'll click on yes and click on continue. Okay, now after that it is saying please solve this puzzle, so they know that you are a real person. So we'll click on verify. Pick one square that shows two identical objects. So I believe this is the one. Then again pick one square that shows two identical objects. So I believe this is the one. And again here this is the one. Okay, so when this is done, it will give you a button to create account. Now we have to so on the email we'll receive a code that we will have to paste here. So yeah, it's already here. Go and paste, and once your code has been verified, it would take you to the next page. Now here we'll just there are some basic formalities from GitHub. So it'll say just me, or if you are a student you can just click on student. Okay, you can click on continue. After that, what specific features are you interested in? So I'll not select anything right now. I'll just click on continue. Okay, so here it is it says freeze and get additional students benefit GitHub Pro. So right now at least I'll go with continue for free. If you're a student, you can go to you can click on apply for GitHub students benefits and it might ask you for a verification, but I'll go for continue for free for now. Okay, now this looks some stunning animation and saying initializing your dashboard. Okay, now here your GitHub has been complete. Okay, now what we will do, we will create a new repository. Okay, so here we'll just say okay, so let's say my first repo. Okay, and we'll click on public. Okay, alternatively either you can create a new repository here or you can create a new repository from here as well. Okay, but for now I'll just use this one and I'll make this repo public because I want people to find that repo. I'll just click on create new repo and here we go, a repo has been created. So here are the instructions if you want to clone this repository on your machine, or alternatively what you can do, you can just without doing this you can start uploading code to your repo. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you.